on one second. Just started the stream. Trying to figure this thing out. All right. That stupid thing in the corner. Okay, so yeah, you guys watching Doge over here? Stupid dogs. Alright, so yeah, we got Doge dipping under 55 cents right now. I myself, I'm looking for a dip buy. 55 cents right now is not necessarily a good time to buy in, so we're gonna wait around and see if we can get a better price. See, we got Weeble up here too. I don't have any buying power in Weeble, but just got this set up. Just got home a little bit ago, so please give me some time. Let's see. Just downloaded this new Weeble app on my computer as well. Actually, let's see if we can just get a nice custom. Yeah, let's just go straight to the crypto. That looks kind of dookie. Let's just keep it blank. Dogecoin. We're definitely gonna zoom out on this mofo quite a bit. All right. Certainly gonna be changing this to dark mode. If it will allow me. Okay, there we go. Which one is more appealing? That one looks nice. Yeah, I like that one. Let's see how that goes. Alright. General. Let's get the watch list up. Might even want to get 2 charts up. Might as well. Let's get these out of here. I don't. Huh. Finding this app isn't super snappy. This is a nice computer, but yeah. Let's get that over there. I'm actually kind of bored. Maybe I'll set this up here as well. Get my Discord going. Let's. Alright. we go. Doge dip in there. Let's put in some alerts. See if we can catch a nice dip over here on Doge. So, I mean, juicy would be down to this 53.3 range. I mean, anything in this range is pretty good dip buy. So, definitely going to set an alert for right here. It looks like a good spot. If I can, there we go. Create alert. Price below. What's this? Unlimited. Delete these. I'm not even sure why that was there. 44 bucks. Yeah, okay. Okay, 0.554. We'll try that one as well as. There we go. There we go. Let's see if we can get anybody on this stream. Some Doge action over here. Check out the good old Discord. Might want to mute this fucker. Let's see. The fuck do you mute this bitch? See who's even talking to me. Maybe I'll just have to mute the servers. Let's see. Mute the server. There we go. Sup, Angry Dad? Not sure if you're on the stream, but yeah. Looks like we got a couple playbacks over here. Honda Moose. Yo, what's up, TG? Yo. Alright, I can probably get this out of here. Sorry, I'm setting up my my charts right now. I just downloaded this new Weeble app, trying to get used to it. Let's see. But yeah, if you guys got any questions, just shoot away. Not really sure what I'm doing right now. I don't have any positions in Doge currently, or you know, any other crypto as far as Weeble and you know Robinhood goes. But waiting for a good dip to buy. Yeah, I get a lot of subs on this channel, so yeah, it's pretty much big time over here, you know. Alright, we got Doge dip in around 54 cents. See if we can play around with these lines here. There we go. Some technical analysis. Show us your portfolio, he says. Oh. Let's see. It's very diverse, so keep in mind it's a very nice portfolio. Let's see. Pretty not used to this app right now. So much shit over here. Price alert. Okay, Doge. Holy crap. Chill out. Yeah, we're pretty diverse. We got one share of PLTR over here. I managed to get some Neo today at 33 bucks. Little bit over 33 bucks there. But yeah, let's get into the charts here. I'll explain kind of what happened to my portfolio this week. Back on this day. Let's go to the hour chart actually. So this day where Neo actually dipped to like 31 bucks, actually under 30. I legitimately thought I was gonna be cheeky. Okay, I gotta turn these fucking alerts off. How do I... Holy shit, okay. I get it. Holy crap. That is not a good feature. Unlimited. Sorry, guys. Okay, it's off. It's off. Let me see. Turn off all notifications for Webull Desktop. As you can see, I really do not use this computer very much. Let's just turn those off for now. We do not need those notifications. Okay, back to Neo. Let's just get rid of this shit. Okay, so yeah, this day it was at like 31 bucks. Sold it, thought I was gonna be cheeky, maybe get a dip buy around 30 bucks. All of a sudden the fucker just ripped up to 35 bucks. I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, okay, what am I gonna do now? Whoops. Get rid of these things. Just trying to add another chart here. Add widgets. Chart. Okay. So I'm like, okay, what am I gonna buy now? The thing is literally, it ripped up to $34, $35 range. So fast, I literally had no time to react. I'm a long-term Neo holder, but no. I tried to be cheeky, thought I could save maybe 500,000 bucks. That was obviously the wrong move. Like, look at this downtrend. I thought it was for sure at this rate gonna hit $30, but didn't quite get there. But so I decided Amazon might be a good play. Was pretty oversold, got up to, over $3,600 after earnings, and then sold off pretty aggressively in the ensuing week. So I decided, let's give this a shot. I played it way too risky. I added a lot of put credit spreads that expired today, and luckily the past couple days it saved my ass, and because of that I'm higher than I would have been if I just held my Neo shares, but that honestly was not a good play. It was extremely risky, but I'm at where I'm at, and I'm in a lot of cash now. Pretty happy. But as you can see, this portfolio on the 11th, it dipped down to 34K when Neo got rammed in the ass. So next day, got a good Amazon pump there. It dipped below 25K on this day, so I was pretty much shitting my pants and thinking, I'm kind of fucked. But then Thursday, yesterday, it seemed okay. Amazon got to above 3160, and then today, obviously, it rallied over 3200, and my put credit spreads were going to expire worthless. I just, sold them out and took my profit. Beat it to death, he says. Sorry if I wasn't getting onto the chat. Let's get back to Doge. Unless you guys want to hear more about my portfolio, you can... Oh, there's... Just as I'm being an idiot, Doge kind of recovers. Get rid of this shit. I am just not used to freaking Weeble. It's way different. They literally are coming out with new updates almost every week, so the app is always changing. Let's go. Ethereum's getting a decent recovery. Bitcoin's over 50K, so looks like crypto is, not doing too bad today. Yeah, you got out of Neo. I actually made a decent Tesla trade. I think you already saw that, Rusty, on Discord, but see if I can show that here. Sold Tesla, bought Tesla. So yeah, I made a little over $100 just on a quick Tesla day trade. It was nothing too special, but we'll take it. It's green. Let's check the 5-minute. Yeah, today. Basically, I bought... That looks a little weird. Which one did I buy? It doesn't... Yeah, okay, this looks right now. I bought right here, about 583. Put my stop loss just underneath this consolidation pattern, and kept raising my stop. Got stopped out right about here. So could have held in for this bigger move, but I just took my money, and that was that. Easy trade, easy $100. Let's get back to the Doge. So yeah. Show us how you draw the technicals. I should have made those Riot and Mara trades based on Bitcoin the past few days. Yes, sir. I sure did. It's funny how we switch stocks back again. Absolutely. Always. I'm trying to be more diverse. I don't want to be just a Neo. It's been, railing my ass the past, pretty much all of 2021. So, but I've been making some money in this account on Amazon and some different things, but how about we just show my, P&L per stock? Because Weeble, I know, does this somewhere. This app is way different than the one I'm normally using. But it usually shows me, my P&L per each stock. Why is it just showing Amazon? Type. Yeah, I'm not... Okay, it's right here. Amazon, yeah, I'm pretty profitable. That's my most profitable stock this year. Made a decent amount on options this week. That's how much I made. I made some profit on Amazon earnings, this past earnings, so that was just... I bought shares before the earnings, sold it just under 3,600, so that's where all that profit comes from. Let's scroll down to Neo. That's fucking me pretty hard. I bought at 58. I've been averaging down and, trying to manage the situation as much as possible. I've made some back on options, so although I originally bought at 58, the loss is less than it was. I'm at 40K. I started this account at 48K, but realistically, Neo is down 50% from where it was. So, considering where this account is at, I'm not too upset. I'll be fine. You can hold this shit for the rest of the year. My account is hilariously small compared to the numbers you guys are playing with. Well, I guess how old are you, Honda Moose? I'm 27, so I've been investing since college years. This is my other account. I used to only trade on Robinhood, but this is this account. You know, I did withdraw like 48 or 50,000 in this, so right about at this peak here, and then it was kind of a small account. I've slowly added. I think I've put about, I don't know, 13 or 14 grand in here. So let's check the last month. Of course, we had this little dip here, but it's okay. I'm up 40% in the last month. That is what it is. I'm not sure why it says 40% and this line is the same height as this line, so that's a bit confusing. But so yeah, I withdrew money about 3 months ago. Apparently I'm up 2%, but long term this portfolio is doing okay, I guess. Bought some Neo in here, but this is, I'm holding a heavy amount of cash on the sidelines. Sorry, okay, I'm just reading the comments now. I'm too new to trading to put more cash in right now. I know I'll do something stupid. That's why if you just listen to Jim Cramer, he was talking earlier, like, it's obviously really difficult to time the dips, and dips are usually bought up extremely fast. Like, even this past week, the first 3 days, it looked pretty bad. SPY literally got down to like 403, 404. But as you can see, it already recovered to 417 just in the past week. So just as soon as these dips go down, they're bought up extremely fast. So even if you're in the market, you don't really have to be too worried. But if you have cash to buy the dips, I think that's definitely a good thing to do. It says only 4 or 5 on this chart, but SPY definitely got lower than that. Sorry if I'm switching around a lot. I'm still getting used to this. Let's go with SPY too. Doge right back to 55 cents. I literally have no idea what this freaking coin is gonna do. Let's see it. Yeah, you wanted to see some technical analysis, so let's see if we can do that with Doge. Zooming out to the daily, that's pretty retarded to look at, I guess. Let's see. So I guess this is this previous peak. Potentially this could, this area right here would be a heavy demand zone if Doge ever dipped back to this mid 40s price. I think that would be an extremely good dip buy. Let's see. My wife's texting me. Fiance, not wife. My dogs are being pretty quiet right now. I'm not upset about that. Get this shit out of here. Alright. How's this looking, guys? Sorry, I gotta text my wife, tell her I love her. She's down in Mexico right now. Alright, let's see. Back to the YouTube. Yeah, I've made a lot of mistakes in the past couple of years, but you stay persistent in the market. You just try to buy at good times, and over time, should be good. We're not going to be looking at stocks right now. This is pointless. Let's put up Ethereum. And widget. Okay, that's much better than freaking going over there. Yeah, I highly recommend Weeble. It is a pretty awesome app. It's kind of annoying that they come out with updates all the time, but at the same time, that's nice to see as well. It's much more advanced, obviously, than Robinhood, and it's pretty snappy platform, either on a browser or just a standalone app on your desktop or phone. The phone app is amazing. It's the best mobile app for trading that I've seen. As far as charting goes, getting into and out of trades is not necessarily the quickest, but just viewing a chart on your phone, that Webull is definitely 1,000 times better than Robinhood. But I mean, a matter of 5 seconds getting into a trade now, that usually doesn't really matter. So, but I gotta say, Robinhood definitely, you can get in and out of trades, much quicker. Yep. Okay. I gotta go get a drink or something. Let me get back to YouTube. See if you guys got any comments. You hanging out with the guys looks good. Last I was looking, Dodge dip was around 43 cents. 43 cents. Yeah, that must have been one of these days. Looks like it literally got down to 36 cents. I'm pretty sure I remember that. It snapped back like insanely quick. That's the only line I got drawn right now. Crypto's pretty speculative, but let's put some zones here to watch out for. You got this peak. That was a pretty quick spike on an Elon tweet. I know that. Yeah, that definitely was an Elon tweet. Let's put another horizontal line. Let's put that here. So if we break out above this point, that was definitely some previous tops there. So let's just put it there. That's close enough to these near tops. I mean, obviously, if we get up here, then that's an extreme breakout, but we can't do that until we break out of these zones here. Alright, looks like we got 3 viewers here. What's up, U5 Aku? What's up, man? If it falls down to that area near support, it'll actually be extremely risky to buy. I agree. This is it's a meme coin. This literally does. I don't believe it has a whole lot of support. So I'm not buying. I suppose I could buy in this zone as it touches this line, but if it were to get below this zone, I don't know what support it has. It could just be a free fall. Who knows? Yeah, let me grab something to drink. Probably gonna lose my voice. Keep going here. Also, okay, want to make sure I don't have any proprietary information on here, but it looks like I'm good. Okay, that's a lot of orders today, but that's just getting in and out of Amazon trades. I was, trying to get good prices, good fills. So I'll be right back. get some green tea, probiotics, some healthy as fuck. Alright, so yeah, we got Ethereum up here. Put a little layout here. Make a new one. Chart. Just so I can show, my Coinbase account on the other side here. No, not Ethereum Classic, that little dingus. I guess right now, I need another computer so I can comment on there. How would someone like me get into Ethereum with $1,000? So what I would recommend is not Robinhood, because Robinhood is fine if you want to do that, but I think a different platform that is like just crypto is a better idea. And the reason being is on Robinhood you don't actually own any of these crypto coins when you buy them. So like, for example, you can't send these coins to anybody else. You're literally buying an IOU on Robinhood, so they just owe you, the value of the crypto. So you're not actually buying it. It's literally the same value, so it, like, in essence it doesn't really matter, but there are some extra features on Coinbase or other crypto apps that can definitely offer some benefits. Let's see. Try to hide this so you guys can't see. But yeah, Ethereum has been in this range. Let's just get this up so you guys can see while I'm doing this. Definitely Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the leader. It's the highest priced crypto, so it kind of runs the crypto world. Everything follows it. Generally. So when Bitcoin is dipping, everything is dipping. From what I know, I'm not a crypto expert by any means. I'm as far as the fundamentals behind the crypto, I'm still learning, just to be quite honest. I'm definitely not an expert. Let's, I guess, put Ethereum Classic up there to see how that goes. Let's hourly chart. Let's do 5 minute on Ethereum. These are the zones we're looking for on Doge. Okay. Gotta look up my passwords. I don't remember. Got too much shit going on. I'm not gonna remember all these passwords. That's for damn sure. Coinbase. Some of these apps are super secure. Like, it's not even saved in my passwords account, so I probably know what it is. That's probably it. Yeah. Sure, let's save it. Wifey is still texting me. 4671. Verify. Okay. That's good. You guys didn't see any info. Unconfirmed device. So yeah, these things certainly try to, keep your data secure. Coinbase is a great app. You saw, everyone should have seen the coin IPO. This thing is, down a shit ton, but it's a good platform. I actually bought Coinbase today on my Webull around 258, and then it hit 260 today, and I just sold it, like 10 shares. I think I sold it around $261. So I made, tiny profit on that, but it's an IPO. It's been downtrending since it came out. So it may be a good buy here, but like Wayne says, I need more price data. Like, this thing's only been out for a month. Who's to say it's not going to drop to $200? It surely could. Alright, how am I going to get into this app? Looks... Live stream. I'm stepping away for a few. I'll leave the stream and check back in. Alright. Later, Honda Moose. I'm sure you're already gone by now. Okay. Okay, I gotta go into my email. I authorize this computer. Yes. God, so many steps with this stuff. Computer authorization error. You're using a device that doesn't match what you used to sign in. Okay, I literally have to sign in on this stupid thing. So stupid. What does it matter if I'm on my phone? Okay. I guess that's smart, but you know. Let's see if anything cool is happening in Discord. Check out some of my cool memes. Let's see. No, not that. GIFs. Maybe they're not on here. They're on my computer. What the hell? GIFs. Guess I don't have my favorites on here. Stonks! Boop boop. Really? My computer can't load that fast? That one's good. Yep. Go with that. Doge to the moon! Alright, back to Coinbase. So, I mean, as many of you may have seen, Doge is actually going to be added to Coinbase. And one feature I guess I'll discuss, let me get back to the YouTube, is this reward section. So, let me get into my port. Yeah, so you'll see I have 0.48 of Ethereum 2. So what Ethereum 2 is sorry, my girlfriend's still texting me. Yeah, she's down in Mexico, so, you know, I could probably respond when she's texting me, but everything's all good. So yeah, basically I staked my Ethereum. I can stake this Ethereum as well, but I probably will do it eventually. I just haven't done it yet. So overview. So basically, in this last week or so, all of crypto, you know, had a decent dip here because of stuff that Elon says. So I rotated some money from different accounts into here around this $3,700 price. And you know, that's what I have it now. You can click this button to stake this, and this would mean you cannot trade your Ethereum until they come out with the Ethereum 2 network, which literally it says could be between 2021 and 2024. They're saying likely either 2021 or 2022. I think you'll see it in here in the overview. But yeah, once you stake it, as you see, it says your Ethereum 2 is unavailable to sell or send until the Ethereum 2 network is fully launched. So what I understand about the network, about this transition, is that Ethereum 2 is just supposed to be a faster transaction. It's supposed to work faster and just be an improvement upon, you know, Ethereum. So it's an upcoming set of upgrades to Ethereum that's intended to make it significantly faster, less expensive, and more scalable. As part of the upgrade, participants may stake Ethereum coins to help secure the network. In exchange for staking, participants then receive rewards on their staked Ethereum, 6%, which is, I mean, obviously better than a savings account, but you have to deal with the volatility of the coin as well. As you see, it says what I talked about, 2022 to 2024. But this is money I don't need. I'm not putting all my money into this, and that's where it's at now. I originally had put about $2,000. Let's see, in around this point. I think it was $2,000. Maybe it was a little bit less. Regardless, it is a lot higher than I bought in originally around when Ethereum was $2,000 a coin, and you know it's had a really nice bull run up to here. So now it appears it's in a bit of a consolidation phase before it either dips potentially or rips even further. I don't know where Ethereum is going to go. I hear people talk about that it potentially can double to potentially get close to 10K, 8K by the end of this year. I literally don't know. I just know it's recently been a leader the past month or two for the entire crypto market, and it's been leading. It's been definitely outperforming Bitcoin vastly. Bitcoin is in this consolidation phase up here. Right about this level. It kind of definitely needs to break out above 60,000 before it can get any more peaks going. I'm not a professional technical analysis person. I'm always learning, just like you guys. Why is that not working? Okay, whatever. We'll just leave that line there. Get rid of this drawing. Alright, let me get back to the comments. Yeah. My parents have a bar down in Mexico, so they're, my girlfriend's drinking down there with my sister and then a bunch of her college buddies. So yeah, she's down there for a week. Oh, we got some comments here. Stepping away. What's up, Grayson? How's it going, man? Welcome to the stream. It's Youngin. Hello, sir. Okay. So they are basically giving dividends in that the stock moves on top of the 6%. Absolutely. So that's, like I said, this is something I really like. I staked my Ethereum a couple weeks ago, and I've earned $6 on that in a few weeks. So 6% is not bad, and it looks like Ethereum is likely to continue this nice bull run that it's currently having. 4,000, it is proving to be pretty decent support. It definitely is fine with this price. It's much more stable than freaking Dogecoin, which Doge, might very well double and get to $1, but it is, clearly much more volatile. The usage cases that people talk about for Doge's fundamentals are, slim to none. This is, as far as I know, it's just a pump and dump coin. Yet, even Elon said it's a hustle. So, it's hard to put much stake in this. I buy it when it dips hard because it usually comes back relatively quick, and you can catch a 10% plus swing pretty easy. But you can just as likely catch, if you're buying near the top, you can catch a nice negative 10% dip as well. It's very volatile. Let's get the 5 minutes up. So yeah, it's right between these two zones that I've drawn here. Getting a lot of texts. My girlfriend is likely getting rather drunk, so she's gonna be texting me. That's an interesting way to look at it. Mm-hmm. Not sure which part was interesting, but yeah. Might want to even lower this a little bit. This line. I don't think it was quite where it should be. Okay. Yeah, I mean, Weeble's pretty sweet, as you say. I'm getting more used to it every day. I have a shitty computer that I use at my day job, and it doesn't have the capacity or CPU, whatever, that my home computer has here. And this is much more fun to trade on. I wish I could trade on it every day. Feel lucky, man. Yeah, I'm not complaining about it. Yeah, I'm trying to hang out with you guys, but she's with it's literally a girls' trip, so it's like hope she enjoys it. She doesn't need to be texting me the whole time. No, she's being cool. I'm not complaining. Look at it as absolutely. Dividends. So there are. I hate this cursor. I need to figure out how to get this cursor out of here. I think something I downloaded, one of the apps, actually made this cursor come about. I don't know why it's here. Cursor. Text cursor. I don't think that's what I want. Whatever. It's really not a big deal. Accessibility. Store. No, I'll just leave this as it is. It's really not a big deal. Figure it out later. Okay. See if we've got any comments. Let's go. You come to Vegas for guys trip, bro. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna do a bachelor party for our wedding next January, so trying to decide where I want to go. Vegas is definitely an option. Definitely more difficult of a planned trip. Trip to plan, I mean. But, you only live once, so why not? Alright. Okay, so 514. I mean, honestly, Doge has been on a nice trend all day. Kind of peaked here, and is just chilling. Yeah, absolutely. What is this? This is not what I thought it was going to be. Get a watch list on this side. Trade stocks. You liking the app, Rusty? It took me a while to really get better at Webull options, but it's not really that difficult. It's just different, a bit different. Spreads are definitely a learning curve on Webull as opposed to Robinhood. Just get rid of these tabs. You can already see it. Coinbase. Yeah, how's the stream quality, guys? I think my internet's pretty decent. I have Spectrum. It's like 100 megabytes per second. Download. I don't know. The upload's pretty decent too, but I think it should be fine. Doesn't look like I got any lag. Let me share my URL here with some other folks. Might be able to get some more people to hang out in here. That TG guy, he's pretty legit. He came on right when I started the live stream. Holy crap. But yeah, he's got his own Discord over here. And yeah, he's got a legit account. I mean, I think Youngin understands that. He may have left, but Yeah, okay, that's you, Grayson. Not sure if you're still here, but yeah, you know that guy, TG. He's got over $100,000 account. He's a pretty good investor. He's his own YouTuber as well. He has quite a few subs. He's a good guy to learn from. Smack the computer, he says. It might be because I think. Do I have Honey Miner going? This is this crypto mining app that I have on my computer. So maybe if I shut it off, the fans won't be doing anything. As you can see, I have not made a lot of money on this today, but I haven't really been running it today. Let's just turn that off. Not sure where my fans are running. Shouldn't be. Yeah, I'll play around. Let me download a Windows fan control. I don't really use this computer that much. It's a pretty nice computer, but don't use it a whole ton. Speed fan. You can get speed fan here. I just want a nice free fan. Utility fan. That high pitch time is still there. That's usually backfeeding the microphone. Okay, yeah, maybe I can play around with the OBS settings. Let's see. Done this a few times, but probably need a shower. I probably stink like shit too. Got out of the gym, did not shower. Audio filter. Yeah, if you I know you're pretty decent with mic stuff, so yeah, Rusty, if you want to tell me any of these settings, mute the microphone for a second, then unmute it. Yeah. It's not like the best mic in the world, but I've got a pop filter on it, and it's got a little volume tab. Does not have a mute button. But yeah, let me unplug it and then plug it back in. See what that does. I don't know. Maybe the filter is even ass. I just got out of the shower. I'm getting ready to go on a date. That's what I like to hear. Okay. Let me unplug this beach whale. Beached whale. Oh shit. This fucking thing's not even plugged in. It's using my camera mic. That's why this is so shitty. Yeah, I don't use this computer very much. Okay. The audio is going to get a lot better. You'll hear it when you play the stream back. Yeah, my bad. It was literally using my... Actually, let me stop talking because it's probably still using it. Let's... remove that. It's already ready to go. USB. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be much better. Sorry about that. The stream will probably be 1,000 times better. My dumb ass did not even realize that. But please let me know how the quality is now. Let's kind of see it as a CD, cause yeah, that's a good way to think about it too. It's it's money you don't need right now if you're gonna put into Coinbase, and that's how I feel about this. The money I staked into Ethereum too. Like I believe in the coin. Like I need to do a lot more research about Ethereum myself. I guess, but it's not a ton of money that I have in there as well. If I had upwards of 10 grand, 5-10 grand, I would definitely do a lot more in-depth research about Ethereum, but from what I understand, it's a coin that's going to be here for a while. Nice. Okay, I'm glad the mic is better now. Sorry about that. Yeah, this Ethereum, I'll probably just end up staking it all. I don't need this money. I mean, if Ethereum can go to $10,000 and this 3,500, I need to put a little bit more in to get a full Ethereum. But that would be nice. Yeah, I own about 0.88 Ethereum here, so not too much money compared to my stock portfolios. Even if that went to zero, I think I'll live. So that's how I feel about it. I'd love to give more technical analysis about Ethereum, but I'm not gonna lie and say I know more than I know. So, let's get to the 5 minute. But yeah, if I can pull off a quick trade on Doge, why not? But it's really just in this chill pattern. It kind of just waits for random hype events from Elon, etc. It's pretty much just Elon. Not sure if I need this fan now. Let me know if I need to mess around with my fans on my actual computer tower. Yeah, if you guys want to watch anything else, if you just want Doge up here, just let me know. I don't necessarily need to be watching some of these other ones. Let's put it on the 1 minute. Get more Doge action. We can have this one plotting the zones we're watching minute by minute. Might as well zoom out. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, it's not like an expensive mic. It had decent reviews on Amazon for being like a $25 to $30 mic. The pop filter was like $10, so is what it is. Hopefully it's decent. My camera costs like 3 times as much as the mic, so I think that's better quality. Yeah, I can't currently buy Doge on Webull. Let's see. It's not create new order. Estimated in Doge. Crypto buying power 0. So like what Webull does is you have to let your money settle for 2 days, so you cannot touch that money before they allow you to trade crypto. Like, it's kind of a weird feature. I don't know why they do that, but that's what they do. Doge. This man does not like Doge. I don't like Doge either, but it's it's something to trade. It's moving right now. I definitely not in love with the coin or anything, but we'll try to make some money off of it if we can. But I want to limit my downside risk and etc. So that's why I've drawn these zones. I'm not even currently in Doge. Let's see. Get the live up here. Look at this graph. It's kind of retarded looking, like monotonous, and looks like a kindergartner drew this thing. Like, that's just straight up crayon. And how do you even extrapolate like anything out of this? Like, clearly it's on an uptrend. You can draw a line from here to here of clear support, but let's do it on here. Let's get rid of all these, actually. I'd rather see a nice fat chart. Move this over. In case I want to buy some Doge, I can, spam the buy button over here. Fucking Doge.
Doge. Don't need to be watching that. Much better. There's too much noise. Do I see PLTR? Yes. Oh boy, these are the only positions I have. Okay. Okay. Didn't realize I had these watch lists going. It's synced from my other computer. Yeah, these are all the stocks I watch. I'm much more into stocks than crypto, but you know, live stream about stocks right now is not going to be as exciting. I got one share of PLTR right now. I don't know. Some guy in this Discord that I talk to a lot was just really discussing PLTR today. So they think PLTR can increase massively. So it's kind of in that same situation as NEO, where the high multiple stock, they're not profitable currently, so they're just getting hammered in the market. So if you want to take a quick look at PLTR, why not? PLTR. This freaking thing, yeah, it looks really similar to a lot of these tech stocks that have been getting hammered. I mean, PLTR even more so. From this peak down to here, it is down. I mean, it's down over 50%. So if you can get this stock to revisit highs, I mean, even $30, anywhere 30 to 40 by the end of the year, this is obviously a good buy here. But I honestly don't know too much about PLTR. I try to learn a lot about fundamentals before I really invest into a company. That's why I'm pretty much, I mean, the only stock I'm in right now is really NEO. I got 1,300 shares. As you can see, I got plenty of cash on the sidelines. I'm ready if the market decides to dip over the next couple months. Putting on some dress shoes tonight from Nordstrom Rack. That does sound fancy. Doesn't sound too cheap. Sounds alright. I know you're a cheap guy though, Rusty. You need to buy a nice monitor like I have. This thing's nice. As you can see. It's got real nice LG ultra wide. This thing wasn't too expensive. It was like $200 monitor. I got this set up like 2 years ago. I built this computer with my brother. I think I built it for, it was somewhere around $900,000, somewhere in that range. What do I got going on here? Am I gonna buy Doge or what, guys? Should I buy Doge right now? Let's pose that question. I can still hear my fan running. I don't know about you guys, but it doesn't really bother me too much. But oh yeah, I was gonna paste this URL into. How do I get that again? Maybe I already have it copied. Yeah. TG came to say hi for a minute, but I don't think he likes me. Just kidding. TG's my best friend. Okay, let's post this over here as well. Maybe we get some more viewers. I'm in a couple Discords, nothing crazy. This room is honestly getting kind of hot. Might have to turn a fan on. I live in Maine, or one of these states. I guess I shouldn't be divulging all the info. Doge. What you doing, Doge? Let me play around with this. I'd buy Ethereum. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah, I highly recommend buying Ethereum. What I hear is just doing steady buys, like however much you feel like putting in, even if like $100 a week or whatever. I think steadily buying Ethereum over time would be a definitely good choice. Let's try out this theme. What do you guys think of this theme? Might be too dark. I don't know. It's a little dark. Viewers, we got 2 viewers. This thing is popping off. It's probably just me and Rusty, just hanging out. Yo, Doge. Oh, is that dark's nicer? Is that more aesthetically pleasing? Let's see if we can get any more, technical analysis in here. MACD. I think maybe Bollinger Bands. Nah, that's just messy. Remember when Greg only had 5 of us? Oh, hell yeah. How could I forget? I don't think I need that moving average in there. That was just kind of pain in the butt, too. Let's put the MACD up. That's decent. We'll be able to see when we get, big spikes of volume if that ever happened to occur. Zoom this out to see when Doge really gets, the volume going. Right now, overall, on a daily time frame, the volume is to the downside. So that would need to start curling up on a long-term perspective if Doge is going to continue this uptrend. So I don't know what catalyst could do this. I guess I do kind of know when it's being added to Coinbase in the next 1 or 2 months. I don't know exactly when. Suppose we could, look up some news, which is another nice feature of Webull. I know they have. Obviously they have stock news, but let's see. How do I make this a little smaller? Okay. Let's add news. Okay. And so you can connect all of these to the same thing. So now, I put in Doge and I'll get some Doge news there. And then can also connect that, so whatever I click here, it's going to show that particular ticker. Back to the 5-minute. Yeah, still right in the middle of this zone, just kind of chopping around. I don't need that. Hey, let's just buy some Doge for the hell of it. You guys want to see some action. You guys, just me and Rusty, just chilling. Wow, whole dollar a Doge. Let's see. See how many coins that bought me. Holy crap, 1.8 coins. Jeez. I'm in it. This thing goes to $1, I'm gonna make frickin' a whole dollar. That's, not even $1. I'll make 45 cents. 45 cents. Freaking Doge. Musk has Doge on a leash. So as you'll see, the last major headline here 7 hours ago. That's all you do is just buy it like that. On Robinhood, yes, that's all you do. You just review order, buy. Or you can do a limit order, but there's no stops. All you can do is panic sell or panic buy, vice versa. When you're selling, I do recommend doing a limit order because you don't know where it's going to fill on a market order. It's going to be less than the price it's showing by a pretty decent margin. Like right now, you sell it, it'll probably sell at 55 cents, not 55.3. If you do a market order. So I definitely suggest limit orders because that will happen to you if you're doing it on Robinhood. But if you're on Coinbase, that's I don't really find that's an issue. I'm just hodling here, so I haven't even sold anything. I'm not really worried about that. Looks like we got another viewer. Holy crap, it's popping off. Let's see. I don't know if I'll get copyright infringement for this. No, I probably shouldn't have live TV going. That's likely copyright. Yeah. Just gonna see if I can get something cool showing as well, but I'm cool enough, so we'll make it work. Yeah, I did see coin was down quite a bit today, so that's why I gave it a dip buy, but I didn't have enough confidence in it to hold it overnight. So it's, like I said, I sold that beach. Not sure what just happened. The glory days, yeah, when it's just the five of us. That used to be fun. We'd make some fun, really good money because we could literally focus on each other and literally just like a few of us just trading. So we got pretty good. I think we were doing better. I performed better during that time than when Weenie exploded. But I also understand that he's got to do his day job, so he can't just focus on a couple people. You know, he's gotta make a living. Can't really blame the guy. See what we got going on Discord. This one's pretty active, this Discord that I'm on. I was wondering about Coinbase today. Yeah, like I said, I'm not buying. I can't long-term hold Coinbase at this price. I don't know how low it's going to go, so just not something I'm gonna hodl right now. See if we can get any more viewers. These guys have a really small stream too on this Discord. They have like just a few people. Open a window here. Whoa! Little spider trying to get in here. Spider monkey. Oops. Unlock that window. Okay. You guys want to see my dogs? No, they're way too hyper. Whew. Okay, I can breathe now. Hey, Rusty, you'll like this. You want to see some dank stuff? Hope I don't get banned on YouTube for this. Does that icon show up on the stream? Like right here, I can see that, but I'm not sure if you guys can see that as well on the stream. Whatever, does not really matter. Yeah, Doge is being pretty boring right now. Let's take a quick look at Ethereum. It's chilling too. All of crypto is pretty much hanging out. Kind of stabilized once Bitcoin solidified over 50,000. but it's well off the highs. Just seems to be at this $50,000 support right here. But yeah, it looked earlier like if Bitcoin was gonna dip under, what time was this? Yeah, it was about 5 o'clock. It looked like it was almost gonna dip below 49,000. That I thought, that might have dipped, not dipped, really tanked all of crypto if that would have happened. This stuff is a couple months old, so I don't think I would even use this. I'd probably just throw it out. But it was called chocolate cookie strain. It's getting late. Doge is tired. Much nap. Agreed, Honda Moose. Doge is not really doing much. Just being a butthead. Where's my other line? Oh, we're not on Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm a little tired. I need a Red Bull or maybe a beer. It's only 10 o'clock here on the East Coast. I think we'll be fine. Yeah, not a lot of people on right now. That's a cool meme. I like that. Maybe you'll check the... Let's see. Oh yeah, that weed looks good. I have ice cream cake and wedding cake. Chem dog and passion punch. LOL. Yeah, I'm not... I'm not like huge into that scene. It's fun once in a while. I have one of these PAX vaporizers. I don't know. I don't really like to smoke joints anymore or, blunts, that type of thing. But, I don't know. I kind of like vaping. In college, I just, got to the point where a lot of my roommates, and not a lot, like some of the people I knew would consistently partake in blunts and joints and the like. And I just got to the point I was like, well, I think I like vaping it better. So I did it more in college. I kind of just... I was never huge about it. It was just like an occasional thing. And, I don't really do it much anymore. I like it better as a nightcap than booze. Oh, yeah, absolutely. I just find, if it's like a relaxing day on the weekend, like, why not just do that, kind of chill out, maybe watch a movie, just hang out with a girlfriend and just chill out. But yeah, if I'm going to be hanging out with like a lot of people, usually it just makes me kind of just chill and not really too active in things, so I'm not too huge about it. Doge, are you gonna do something? Jeez, just chilling, reading this zone. I want to see it. Break out of these freaking lines, man. From what I know, usually on the weekends, Friday or Saturdays, I'm out, at a bar until 12, 1 o'clock. And usually at that point, or maybe I'm at a friend's house, but whatever, like 12, 1, crypto starts moving a lot of times. Like Saturday night, 1 o'clock, I think that's usually when you can get some nice dip buys or stuff is really moving. But yeah, it did this rip after Elon said some shit, and now nothing is happening. Rusty, which Asian are you hanging out with tonight? Robinhood is definitely gearing towards the gamblers. Like, just the way they do their charts. I suppose that looks similar, but it's interesting. Europe waking up, maybe. Yeah, potentially. I mean, didn't necessarily think about that, but everybody's watching his tweets. Because it pretty much just moves off of Elon. That's why I'm not heavily invested in it. But if it does rip off, you know, we can make some quick money. Got nothing else to do right now, so might as well make some moolah. Alright, let's see what Elon's got going. I'll post a picture on Discord. Yeah, sure. If you want me to post or view that on YouTube. Oh, my girlfriend showed me her dinner. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can see it, but either way, you know. Looks like coconut shrimp, some veggies, bountiful drinks. I'm sure she's having a couple drinks tonight. She went to this place, I won't give the name, but they serve a nice margarita. This is how they make it is they make like they take a big cooler and mash up like a bunch of limes. So it's fresh limes in the margarita mix, along with, you know, of course, tequila, triple sec, and they mix it in this just big cooler, and that's how they just dispense that to everybody that orders a margarita. Really good, extremely strong margarita. It's I've been there over a dozen times, so it's something my family and us we always talk about. It's like you used to only be able to have 2 of these margaritas, and then you're pretty much done for the day. You're going to be pretty hammered off your ass off two margaritas. So, and if it's fun to bring like a new person over to this place, because they have no idea what they're expecting. They're like it's not a regular margarita. Most average people can have like a couple margaritas, and you know you're not going to be tanked. Like 2 margaritas and you're feeling good. I got plenty of good stories there. But yeah, my girlfriend went to this place today. It looks like, I mean, she's still alive. I'm sure she didn't have more than two of those margaritas. But then again, they also did reduce the size of the cups within the last year. So maybe that means you could have like maybe 3 margaritas or something like that. I think probably 3. Nice, I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm going to be doing some grilling tomorrow, having some friends over, and going to be grilling, drinking beers, just chilling out. I know there's a Celtics game on at 2 o'clock. I don't know. We'll just be hanging out, getting drunk, you know, living the life. It's Saturday. Too much shit on this desk. I never go into this room, so it's like probably should clean it up a little more. It's not too bad, but you know. Alright, should probably text the wife back. Looks delicious. What's up, buddy? How's it going? Woo! Whiskey sours. Those are good. Maybe if I had a drink, it might liven up this stream, but you know, I'm trying to keep my liver virgin for tomorrow because I'm probably gonna get shit tanked. Just drinking tea and water right now. Yeah, we got a ton of viewers right now on this channel. We're making the big time. Holy Rusty, what is going on here? Okay, yeah, you didn't make that yourself. That looks good. Some nice veg. I don't know. It's either chicken or beef, but that looks good. Okay. Holy crap, Rusty. I think I just got blocked off YouTube. Okay. Liver pregame. Same here, grilling and drinking with all my friends this Sunday. On a Sunday, yeah, whatever day works. Saturdays are good because if you have to work on Monday, you got that Sunday recovery day. Life on hold. Oh yeah, absolutely, man. I know you're still in school, so it's hard to focus on investing and that sort of thing. You gotta get your life in order and that sort of thing before you can really get into investing. You gotta get steady cash flow and stuff like that. Unless you're gonna be a live streamer like Wayne and offer that sort of thing, but it's not many guys like that can make consistent income, I think. But no, my Asian girlfriend made that. I've never ate so good Chinese food in my life. Holy crap. Yeah, dude, I invested during college, but I think the most I ever had was $4,000 or $5,000, so I didn't really make much in terms of gains. I remember I was trading Tesla around $200, but I did not have the patience to really hold it because I mean it's kind of like a Neo right now. If you take a look at this, so yeah, I was in college. 20. Holy crap, yeah. I've been out of college for a while. I'm only 27, but I graduated in 2015. But we actually have to go to the weekly perspective because I'm old as fuck. So yeah, I really was investing during this time period. As you see, if you were trading Tesla this time, you were not seeing much in terms of gains. I remember I bought it. Even after I got out of college and had my first job, like trading it around here, you weren't making any money. Like it just wasn't doing much. I think Neo, since Tesla kind of paved the way, can have a quicker trajectory to actually getting gains. Like I guess Tesla kind of popped here from under that $10 mark up to here, up to this big pop here, $57, and then had another leg up, I guess 2016. So. But yeah, if I had held, I remember I don't know how many shares I had. It was on my Robinhood because I believe I had that at the time, and I owned it around here. I owned between 5 and 10 shares. I know that it wasn't a lot of money, but if I held from there till now, I would be in a much better spot. This Weeble. Oh yeah. This is Weeble. They just came out with this new update. It's a pretty good app. It's actually like a downloadable app on your PC. So, yeah, my dog heard yours in the background. Oh yeah, my dogs are insane. If you want to see them, I can bring them up here. But they are freaking wild. Little golden doodles. They're minis, so they're between 10 and 15 pounds. They're just feisty little bastards. Alright, let's get some Doge up. You guys know how Tesla is right now. That's a nice chart. Just kidding. Okay. So yeah, pandemic. These are the zones we're looking for. I zoom out to the 30-minute. You'll see this. I drew these zones just as previous tops in terms of, I guess, the 1 hour time frame. So I'm really looking for Doge to break either above or below these lines, because at that point I think I would expect a waterfall sell-off or a nice pump above these marks. Currently not in Doge because I don't think 55 cents is a good price now. I bought. If you guys want me to buy some, maybe I can. I got a little bit of buying power for Doge. But just let me know. I'll pull the trigger. Those are decent ranges. 2018, 2019 volatility was amazing. That's when I started options. Yeah, I started options last year, and I don't even have to tell you what trades I was making, but so I'm investing around here. I'm not making too much money. I really was not actively trading. I just bought like stuff like Apple and safe stocks. As you can see, I didn't have much money in here. I had about $6,000 all the way up to 2020. Then I learned options. Right around this time frame, April, May, I started doing options, and I went full mental retard. I was doing Tesla calls. So over January break, I went to Miami. Well, I was actually in Boca, and this kid that was at my girlfriend's dad's house, he's dating my girlfriend's stepsister. He was talking to me about options, and he explained it fine to me. I told him I've only traded shares before, and he's like, dude, you gotta learn about options. So he briefly, kind of went over it with me. This guy had like a $2,000 account. He described it to me as like, this is the way where someone like me, like he was younger than me, so he's like, this is a way that that I can make decent money, because with just doing shares, it's very difficult to grow a small account to something much larger. So I went full retard. I'm watching YouTube videos. I'm thinking I know what options are. I'm seeing guys that are doing Tesla calls on YouTube, and I'm like, wow, this looks easy. Like, I'm watching people like gain hundreds of thousands of bucks like just doing Tesla calls. So I'm like, yep, let's do it. Had some bad Tesla calls, and I did some Amazon spreads too. I remember some Netflix spreads. I lost a lot of money. So I've taken money out of this account. So right here it shows negative $5,000 because I have taken money out, and so I'm about 10,000. I lost about 10 grand when I was doing options. I took some money out of my 401k. Thought it was a good idea. I got to the point where I was like, wow, I've lost a lot of money. I got to build this stock portfolio back again. My 401k is it's decent size because I've been working since 2015, and it's been growing since then. So I'm like, this is a good time period. The crash has happened. It's time to really get my stock portfolio going. I'm like 26. Like, if I can get this going now and get a good trajectory going, then I'm really gonna set myself up for the future. Like, I got plenty of time on my side, And then I started to do a little bit better towards July. August was decent. I think around this point, I got to 25K in my account, and I got even stupider because getting 25K is a big learning curve. So once I got there, I'm like, wow, I got day trades. I can trade as many times as I want. I'm making like, Rusty remembers, I was making like 25, 50 trades a day. Like, it was just stupid. I remember I went all the way down to, I think I was at 25K, and it throws down 10K. So I dropped down to $15,000. And from that point forward, I was like, wow, I can't day trade anymore. I was making a lot of mistakes, but I've also learned options up to this point. Like, I'm getting better, but I made a lot of mistakes. And then obviously from October up to January was a massive bull run in the market. So it really wasn't that hard to make money. I'm doing a lot of put credit spreads. I traded Apple a lot, and I made a lot of money in that time frame. My account got to 60K at this point, and that's where that went. We were making day trades. Like, yeah, we were doing well. Honestly, it was an easy time to invest. Like sure, I learned a lot, but honestly, that was just an easy time period to make money as well. If you were putting on any bull positions, like, you made money. Let's go. All right, Doge dipping a bit. Let's get it onto the 1 minute so we can really see this. It's not really dipping that much, but so do you guys really like? Rusty said he liked this theme better than this one, but let's try this one out again. This one seems a little bit more pleasing to my eyes, but you can let me know. Yeah, I mean, I'm probably not the perfect picture of an investor, but you know, I've made money. I've taken a lot of risks as well. Things could have gone different ways, but I took risks, and you know, I've definitely changed my investing life, and I'm in a good spot right now. I'm happy where I'm at. Even 2021, I've made a lot of mistakes, but I'm where I'm at. Like even right here, January 22, if you guys recall, like this was when all that Robinhood crap was coming out, where the app was crashing, people were hating on the CEO Vlad, and you know, I just got off the Robinhood app. The next day, or that very next weekend, I was going on vacation. The whole market crashed. That's during the GME squeeze crap. So I'm literally like just getting pissed off. I lost money. I went from 60 down to 50K. I lost 10K right there. Just I'm holding like safe stuff, but it dropped, and then the market literally came right back the very next week. So I withdrew pretty much my whole account, put it into Webull. I withdrew it, put it into my bank account, and then put it into Webull. And in that time frame, I couldn't trade with that cash for like, it was like a week or two. So in that time period, I lost that money, and I wasn't able to get that upward movement in the market. I would have gained pretty much all of that $10,000 back if I just left it in Robinhood. So I would have 60K right there. And, you know, that's definitely an example of a mistake. But so at that point, I was like, wow, fuck this platform, Robinhood. Like, seriously, they were restricting GME, and the app was literally just crashing. You couldn't even sell any of your positions. It was like, it was terrible. So, I still don't really like Robinhood that much, but I'm still using it today. It's maybe that's just stupid too, but I do have most of my money in Webull, and I've been doing better in this account over the last 3 months. Made some money. I've added more money into this too. I did withdraw a little bit more from my 401k because I wanted to get this account up to 25K so I can have two 25K trading accounts. It seemed like a good idea. I've only taken it's about 12K out, so just trying to set myself up for the future. I've made mistakes this year, and fortunate to get back. Liquidated my Robinhood. Yeah. Why did you liquidate your Robinhood? Oh, during that time period, you did the same thing. Yeah. It was that was bullshit. Getting a little. You can't even call that a dip in Doge. Dogecoin. Right in the middle of the zone. Like, I don't think anything's gonna happen tonight, but Robinhood did me dirty 2018 and 2021 when the GME happened. No, I don't have regrets moving to Webull either. I'm happy with the platform. It was a learning curve to do options on this platform. You can't even do you can't buy spreads on the computer, which I don't like. So you have to go onto your phone to be able to buy call credit spreads, debit or credit spreads. Like, it's, I don't know, the way you buy those is kind of difficult. I've learned how to do it now, but that was a learning curve. Should I buy some Doge? See if this chat's active. Rusty, you gotta get that girl out of here, bruh. get Tills in here. I know he's a Doge fiend. This guy just bought 0.6 more Ethereum, 500 Cardano, and whatever DOT is. I don't know. I'm kind of a crypto noob, so I really don't know that much about crypto. Like, kind of understanding, getting a feel for how some of these coins trade, but definitely not an expert on crypto. Ethereum's really chopping around too. All of crypto is, chopping around. I'm actually gonna put an alert here if this drops below 4,000. Once per day. Once per minute. See how that works. That got kind of annoying the last time I did this alert on the stream, but we'll try it out. Back to Doge. Doge, the meme coin. Come on, Doge. Okay, you deleted her. Yeah, that was like borderline pornographic. Yeah, here's my Coinbase account too. Pandemic. I highly recommend Coinbase. I was talking about it earlier. It's definitely a good app. Just for hodling. If you plan on holding crypto long term, you don't want to be holding it in like Robinhood, for example, or even Webull. You want to be on something like Coinbase or Binance. I hear is good as well. There's a bunch of different apps that you can earn. You can earn yields just by holding crypto. So, like for Ethereum as an example, I'm earning 6% on this Ethereum that I've staked. So, just a little added dividend or yield, whatever you want to call it. It's extra money in my pocket. Really, she was just wearing a low-cut shirt. I'm pretty sure I could see a little nipple there. It was close. It was borderline pornographic, bruh. 10:42. Yeah, I thought about letting my dogs up here, but I don't want to give you guys all migraines either. Low cut shirt. Nothing going on in Discord. I'm just messing with you, Rusty. I really don't care. Gotta go fillet and marinate the chicken. Alright, see you, man. We'll be here hanging out watching this Doge shitcoin. I hope YouTube doesn't mind me calling this a shitcoin, but I'm not really convinced on Doge. No, it's fine. Really, I gotta get better glasses. I can't. Rusty, you couldn't even see that? Literally, I was seeing some nipple there. It was, I don't know. I'm 100% on that. I'm trying to block it out, but I saw it. Alright, I'm gonna pull up the camera on my dogs. Ooh. The wifey keeps texting me. Yeah, I got a camera downstairs, so I can see my dogs when I'm at work or just not at home. Let's see. Ooh. Aw, my poor dog. He's just chilling on the couch. He looks cute. Can't really see him, but yeah. No, he won't even show it. hanging out down the street from my girlfriend's. I'm going to conveniently show up late like she does to me all the time. She wants to go shopping. Shopping on a Friday? Why? Who wants to go shopping? I don't know. Maybe that's a thing in Vegas. Can't really do too much shopping around here on a Friday. We have a mall. It's a decent sized mall, but it's fine. I'm just messing with you. I don't care. Some people on our channel might be offended. No, I'm kidding. Nobody's gonna be freaking offended by that. I just don't know if your girlfriend would want that on here. Is there anything good in here? I didn't really have anything good to post in the profits or losses. I think I was about break even on the week. Yeah, as you can see, yeah. 510. Was that Monday? Yeah, it was Monday. So I guess I made a little bit of headway. So it says I'm about 37.5K. So I made it up to 40. Made some decent moves. Definitely had some risky Amazon plays this week, but I made good money on that. I held Neo until freaking almost died. And the port is doing fine. I think tech is in a good spot in general. Any news that you're listening to is, constantly bashing tech, but I think they're just beating retail into submission, shorting the fucking shit out of tech. As you see, QQQ, QQQ is extremely undervalued. It keeps going through these dips, pretty much all of 2021. It's nearly where it started beginning of the year, which makes sense because it had a huge bull run up to here, but tech cannot be held down forever. And even within QQQ, you can look at ARK, everybody is targeting this fund too. They're targeting high multiple stocks. This fund is not going to be held down forever. It might be lower than where it is today. I can't say where it's going to go. May go lower, but it is something to watch. I'm not invested in RKK. I don't think it's the best thing, but it's definitely a good gauge for high multiple stocks in the market and how they're being treated in this inflationary period. Including Neo. Neo looks similar to RK, so let's go back to Doge. See something happen, Doge. I want to see something. Whoa. Just kidding. Didn't pop there. Just had that little leg. Does look like we're getting some more downward movement on Doge. Well, I asked you guys she wanted to go to lobster dinner, and I'm okay with that. And then she said, will you take me and buy me a dress versus going to dinner? And I agreed. Yeah, you made some money on Neo today. Just like you, I made some money on your stock, Tesla. It wasn't much, but it was enough money to buy some beer and some food for my barbecue tomorrow. Y'all should look into Roblox momentum when it's set up. Nice action this week. Yeah, I didn't really look at Roblox today, but I hear it had a good day, so take a look at it. Roblox. Just look at the 1 hour. I need to get my extended hours in here. Okay, that's where I can really see. You're saying Roblox had a good day today? I guess it started around $71 and hit a peak of. It was a quick peak apparently because it really got bashed down on this candle. It's okay. Yeah, the 30-minute shows it a bit better. So it had an okay pop, I guess, in the morning. A nice a little over $2 pump, but I had Roblox puts right before earnings. When did Roblox have earnings? Oh, just got a kissy face from my girlfriend. Huh. I don't know if you can see that, but she's definitely very intoxicated. That's alright. She's having a good time. Gotta respond back when she texts you, you know. Holy crap, yeah, dumped this day. Yeah, I've never touched Roblox. I know Kathy Wood is in Roblox, and I really don't understand why. I watch different YouTubers during the day, and this one guy, he had a good point where, I mean, Roblox just is preying on, like, kids that are, like, 6 to 12 years old, somewhere in that range. I mean, it's preying on kids that need to borrow the credit card from mommy to pay for their stuff on Roblox. Like, there's no adults really on Roblox. It's just, you know, kids with no jobs, like, going to mommy to get the credit card to pay for whatever they need on the app. And I suppose, I don't know. I don't even know if they're profitable. They probably are, but I mean, actually, probably not, because they're an Art K, and Kathy doesn't really invest in anything that is profitable. Wednesday. Okay, they had earnings Wednesday or Tuesday. I'm still getting used to Webull, so I don't know how to see where the earnings are, but I can see that on Robinhood. Okay, yeah. Estimated, yeah, they had really shitty earnings, so they were supposed to make a 12-cent profit, and they lost 46 cents a share. Yeah, so that definitely explains that dump. Doesn't even say the date of earnings. Like, what the heck? 100% buy on Robinhood. That's interesting, Robinhood. Okay. Founded in 2004. Yeah, I know the company's been around for a while. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I like investing in, you know, something that's just kids relying on mommy's money. I rely a lot on fundamentals, so it's like, I don't know. They're big in the online add-on and kids games. Yeah, I know. My fiance's little brothers, they love the game, so I know they play it quite a bit. Maybe there's something I'm missing. I don't know. Maybe it's decent. It's the new Toys R Us. Take that, Kathy. Yeah. Honestly, yeah, I think Kathy Wood is in for a lot of pain the rest of the year. I agree with. I watch CNBC a lot, and they're like, you know, don't necessarily go away from tech, but within tech, you do have to be very selective. Like, you'll see once they started talking about stuff like that, FANG started to improve a lot better this week. Like, okay, yeah, let's look at this daily chart. I don't know. It's a new IPO. It's hard to trade IPOs. I suppose it's honestly holding in a pretty good range. Roblox. It's in just straight, you know, consolidation pattern right off the get-go, which I suppose isn't really that bad considering, you know, how the entire year has gone for high multiple stocks. But I'm not sure. I'll definitely keep an eye on this stock. It's in my watch list, yeah. So yeah, these are this watch list is most of the stocks that I watch on a day-to-day basis. I mean, obviously I'm watching Neo, usually tick by tick. That's my number one stock. I'm gonna ride this thing as far as she goes. Hopefully to 60 by the end of the year. That'd be nice. Tech had it coming. Yes, Tech did have it coming. Like myself, I was retarded. So I bought Neo at 58 right here. Huh. Had a blow off top. This thing rose too fast. That's like how stupid I am. I'm not a perfect investor, so I bought up here. Like I had rode it at certain points like throughout here as well, but my last big buy was here and I pretty much held that all the way down here to like 40s. And then I sold, rebought. And so I brought my average cost on Neo down to like 47 or I believe it was around 47. So while I originally bought it there, it was just damage control all the way on the way down. And it's a tricky stock here. Now I guess you can say it's had a double bottom, which I mean not that I believe in double bottoms, but it's like it's at a point where if it's gonna go lower than here, I mean the risk to the downside is less than the likelihood it's gonna finally make some sort of an uptrend and get out of this bearish pattern. Because from here to here, I guess you could draw a bear flag. So on the daily chart. Gets below there, I mean, you're pretty screwed. So I might as well put that in. I mean, honestly, if it gets below this rip, yeah, I mean, I kind of doubt it's going to get this low. It will happen, he says. It will happen. I don't mind. I re-entered it today. I'm 33. I mean, I'll definitely stop out at 30. I'm not going to ride this thing if it's going to die more. But I really think this stock is just shorted to hell. It's oversold at this point. We're not getting big bearish volume either, like on this downtrend. Kind of a little bit of bull volume. It's kind of just chilling out. So once volume kind of picks up here, the shorts really get out. I think Neo is going to be a different price by the end of the year. Definitely in that $50 to $60 range at least. I think it's going to be there or higher. Not buying this crap. Like I don't think Neo's gonna move until August, September, meaningfully. It may get up to $40 to $45, but I don't see it. I think at that point. I think it's gonna get on that trajectory up to the 60s by the end of the year. I think Q4 that's gonna be the big quarter for Neo, and probably I think Tech's gonna rally beginning in September, October-ish. That's when that rally is really gonna start. I talk about this a lot. I don't know if this is gonna prove true, but I have this chart here, the seasonality chart. This is the average of the last 20 years. So typically September, pretty much October. So if you buy this October dip to there, that's, nearly that's a 5% move in the SPY, usually on average. So you can just buy, really you can buy here, June up to here. That's my goal. I'm looking to buy a dip in June and then ride it all the way up to here. It will happen. Alright, let's get back to Doge. To the moon! Dipping, alright. Getting some dippy action. Let's get back to the 1 minute. I mean, not like crazy dip, but yeah, still right in the middle of this zone. Not really anything too crazy. Roblox. I really need to get rid of this freaking cursor. How to change cursor on Google Chrome. What is all that crap? How do I change it back to normal? Windows, search for, and open change how mouse pointer works. Mouse pointer. Change the mouse pointer display or speed. I don't know. I think this is just a Google Chrome thing. It's probably a stupid extension. I changed my cursor. Sure, let's do that. Anything to get rid of that stupid thing. Switch to Robbie's, sure. Get rid of that thing's stupid. Stupid. Yeah, I don't think I need anything that special. Yep, perfect. There we go. That's much better. Let's get the crypto up. The only thing moving right now. 0.54. Alright, yeah, I think I might shut the stream down. Nothing too crazy. I don't think too many people are up right now. It's 11 o'clock on the East Coast, so probably sign off. Might be on tomorrow before my barbecue. Maybe I'll drink some beers with you guys. We can have a good time. Yeah. I'll do a stream tomorrow, I think, probably. Till's never joined. It's too cool. Yeah, I'll hang out for a little bit longer, but not too much going on with Doge. Finish my tea. Gotta go check on my dogs too. I'll be back. Go check on them. See what they're doing. on the viewers. Doge is taking a little bit of a dip now. Don't really need to draw any more lines. I mean, kind of getting towards this bottom support. I'll hang out for a bit longer. Only 11. Dogs are really crying. Actually, no. Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. Nobody's here.